especially during tax season. Tax season is a busy season if you're a tax preparer or a tax professional or a CPA. You guys, and I'm gonna be going over the steps of what to do. Now, let me share this with you guys. This, I've been sharing this a couple of weeks now. These are the tax refund payment options that I have with me. Is direct deposit, the Faster Money Discover prepaid card, the printed check, and you can make a payment through the portal that I'm going to share with you, the live portal, you guys, that you schedule appointments through. You can pay. You can do a lot of things through the live portal that I will be sharing with you guys today. The preseason loans will be available next week for new clients. That's a tax option. You do not have to do it. Also, the refund advance loans will be available the opening of tax season. So I want to be clear, you guys, with all of that information as well, to let you know the options. For those of you who don't want to wait on the PATH Act to clear, because you know that's a law. Every year, the people who file the earned income tax credit and the child tax credit, they be on hold due to the PATH Act. So we offer the loans, the preseason loans, and the refund advance loans, you guys. But you don't have to choose that. That's just an option, okay? All right, now I'm going to go over the steps with you guys regarding everything. One more thing. If you haven't watched this video, the 2024 tax law update, I shared this on LinkedIn. I shared this on my channel on YouTube. I shared this on Facebook and Instagram too. All of this has been shared. So go back if you missed this video and go back and watch it. It's definitely on my channel through the playlist on how to complete tax preparation. It's going to stay up there the entire tax season for those of you who are completing taxes on your own. A lot of people miss out on credits and deductions because they don't know the tax law. So it's important I share a lot of information on there. Not all of it, but a lot of information that may help you. Okay, let me go right into the portal. And I'm going to be going step by step, you guys. First of all, this is the link that I'm putting below, live.faceta.com/site/buy-grace-tax is the link that you go to get to this live portal to set up virtual tax preparation with me. If you're already a client, you can log in. If you're not, you can set up an account. You can learn about us. Also, the taxes done by Independent Tax Pro. Sometimes it takes a while, you guys, to load. So I just want to share you guys to make sure that you see everything regarding this. If it loads slowly, well, it's like it's trying to come in, you'll see the information regarding me and the tax business because I am the CEO. Just scroll down and you'll see all the information that's available, okay? It said if you're not sure about doing your own taxes, it's time to hire a pro with years of experience. We have a passion for helping you get the largest refund you're entitled to or the smallest tax liability. Okay, you guys? So that you can go on that page. Let me take that off and hit the X. You see my account where you can log in. Create a login, and also about us, my partners, which is my bank partner and my software partner as well. The information regarding that, okay? Also, the social media links, also right there. You can go to the website and learn more. It'll be updated, and also other information. So right now, when you get ready to schedule an appointment, you click schedule an appointment. And if it's slow to load, you guys give it some time. You might have to go back out and come back in and hit the X or go back out and come back in, but you see it's coming in. So you want to go ahead and schedule an appointment. Right now, I just set it up today that it's open the virtual tax preparation appointment. Some people said that this calls for appointment. This is a consultation. So for the appointment itself is not, but to complete virtual tax preparation, you have to pay. The fees will be discussed during your tax appointment. So there's no need to inbox me or call me and ask me what are my tax fees, because I will tell you, you must get an appointment. I go over everything during a tax appointment, and you choose whether or not to go forward with me, okay? So you click virtual tax preparation appointment. You see all the information under that. Virtual tax preparation is completed by Zoom, by telephone, or by FaceTime. I have to see you because I have to verify that your driver's license and all that information. I have to verify your picture and all the information. So even if I see you a little while through Zoom and you said, I just want to talk to you by mouth, I still have to verify you through looking at you. That's all part of it, especially I'm doing it in 50 states, you guys, okay? So you click book this service. Going through the steps, book this service. You should see my name or the other tax preparer that's listed. You see my name or hour, or it could be an hour and a half right here, you guys. You go to January the 3rd or whenever tax season starts, when you decide you have all your documents to set up. I'm just going to select the 3rd. You hit January the 3rd. Let me make sure that you can see it. Okay, you hit January 3rd. If you just give you an example, 11 a.m. and you decide 11 a.m. I want to set up an appointment. Then it's in U.S. and Canada. You click continue after you selected it. You're going to put in your email. You're going to put in your first and last name, your mobile phone, your address, your client type, individual or business. Let me know. Occupation. You guys, if U.S. citizen, that's a must. Taxpayer is a U.S. citizen, and you got to give me permission, you guys, to complete tax preparation, even though this is an appointment, and then you decide after the consultation whether or not you want to move forward, okay? And they give you all the information listed below. If you show up late for your appointment, you guys, you show up late for your appointment, 15 minutes or more, it will be canceled and rescheduled. So make sure that you show up on time, okay? And you have to agree to it, and you have to confirm booking. Click confirm booking, and then you'll get more information when you do that, okay? So I'm just gonna set that up, and I'm gonna confirm booking. All right, once you gotta have all the information for it to move forward, you guys, okay? So I'm just letting you know. So you gotta put in all the information it's requesting. It's requesting, and then confirm booking. It'll take you to another page. Now, again, make sure you check your email that you put in, because you should get an email confirming your booking and the time that you should be able to appear in that virtual meeting. If you figure that you won't be able to meet that meeting, you have to reschedule before the time, you guys, okay, to let me know, and then I get it on my end. You can do a lot through this portal. All right, upload documents. Once you say, Ms. Likely, I want to go ahead with you. We're going to discuss tax preparation, the fees, everything about your tax documents, and you say, I want to move forward. You start uploading your documents here. Right here, it says upload your documents here, and it's two ways on here. It's the same thing that you upload your tax documents. If it takes a while to share everything on the screen, just wait on it. Okay, select files. You click that little paper click, select your files, put what kind of document. Let's just say you say a W-2, and then you give me a message, any information you want me to know, you put in that message. You put your email, you put first and last name, mobile phone, client type again, and you are a U.S. citizen. That's to upload documents after you decide to move forward with me. And again, you can also create an account. Once you create an account, let me show you guys something. What your screen gonna look like once you decide to create an account with me. This is an example. I'm changing right now. This is what it's gonna look like on your end. Not my end, your end as a client. I'm just got welcome Linda with my name. But that's what it should look like on your end. The shared documents and all the information. And you should see all this. And you click a button that share a document, schedule an appointment, all this. This will be when you log in. You should be able to see all this information. Okay, you guys? All right, let me go back to this. I'm going to scroll down. Refund advance information. I need money before my refund is ready due to the past act or many of you. You click that. Now the contact information, I just have the email address to contact me because the telephone number is going to be a 1-800 number for you to contact me. This is information regarding refund advance loans or the preseason advance loans. They're the same. 200. They're not the same, you guys, but they're up to the same amount, 250 to 6,000. Okay. All right. And you can read all that information and scroll down. They got all the information of our tax partner bank. Now, email us right here, and you will see contact us as well. You should see contact us on there later. Then again, this add a document. So upload document, add a document. You can use any one of those to upload information. They the same thing. Pay by refund. You click on that and it gives you information. If it takes a while to load again, just wait on it and it will load. You guys, let me see if it'll load right now. And it give you information. Pay for tax preparation with your refund. Okay, and you can also pay with it through the live portal if you owe. Okay, for tax preparation, if you want to pay me first, I'm gonna scroll down and share that with you too. Make a payment right here for your tax preparation fees right here. You click on it, it should load in a minute. Pay for tax preparation fees, your notes, the client information, all of that. First and last name, so I know who you are, and all this information for those who pay up front or pay because they owe. All right. Okay. Also, right here, how to complete virtual tax preparation. This was last year that I did a video. For those of you who need any help, By Grace Tax Services LLC. This is the business YouTube channel that you can go on, and it gives you step by step in case people need help with regarding this that don't completely understand about completing virtual tax preparation, which will start next week. Information is on that. Now, when you see register for classes, it probably will be removed, but anytime that I have classes or anything, you will see this link right here. The tax prep business startup class is no longer available. I had coaching and I have a course for that on Shining Lights Academy. Don't forget, for those of you who are needing to renew your PTINs before tax season 2024, that you go ahead and do so. Just a reminder, follow us on Facebook. You can go Problem Solutions. I have the contact number. Sometimes these numbers change and I will update it, but this is last year, which I had some numbers on here, how to reach the IRS, and information regarding my business to help you guys. All that information is on here. Now, I don't know if these numbers, some of the numbers, I know that 1040 is the same, but all the rest of them may be different. So I'm going to check during tax season to see, okay? All right. Let's see. And then any links, again, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email is right here. Also, right here, the website where you see the paperclip. You can learn. So when you get there, you guys, you can see all the information that you need. Okay. This is the link that I have, live.faceta.com/site/bygracetech is the link that you go to this live portal. It will be Zoom, you guys, and it will be live. Tax appointments could be an hour and a half, and it depends on you making sure that you have all your information, you guys, to upload. Then when you do all the information, I work on your tax return. You have to sign documents. You have to review your documents. You have to and then I complete it. And then when the IRS receives your tax documents, and they say it's received by the IRS, then I will email you your tax return, and it will be encrypted because of fraud and scams, you guys, through your email, that you will get a passcode to unlock. For any reason, if you say, if you feel like you can't, because some people be trying to open it through their phone and they can't unlock it, best to check a desktop or a tablet. Or if you can't, then I have to email it to you the regular way at info@bygracetax.com that it's going to be received from. If you have any questions and you have any comments, make sure you drop them down below this video, and I'll make sure that I assist you regarding everything regarding this live portal. Trying to make it easier for you guys, looking for a great tax season, you guys. So just let me know if you have any questions or comments. But everything is available on the live portal with live tax professionals, you guys, to complete tax preparation.